Hi guys and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cash, my partner is Scram, and we're both here to teach you guys everything day trading and these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Alright guys, we're not a buy or sell channel. If you're looking for someone who's going to give you signals when to buy and sell, then you're in the wrong place guys. We're pure technical traders. We analyze these markets on based upon that. We take our trades, make our pips, convert that into money, and that's how we do it here. Other than that, we're not financial advisors guys, so any risk that you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 1% of your capital at any given point with any given trade. Good morning guys, good morning. Hope you all are doing well. Can you all see my charts? Wait, I'll just start sharing. Just give me a second guys. Okay, perfect. Y'all can see my chart now. Also guys, markets are extremely choppy. Crime and I, we have been on shoot since morning. Crime is still there, but I came because I wanted to come live for you guys like I promised. I'm not going to be here for too long anyway. London session is really short, but it seems like it's going to be shorter. There's a lot of chop that I can see around floating in these markets. There's not a lot of good volume that I see. Because yes, we had a lot of big moves that were happening yesterday with the indices and with everything that was happening. The markets are really choppy. I'm not expecting big moves. The zones are also like pretty small compared to other days, so be extremely careful guys. Hopefully we'll do New York. We'll try to make it 99%. We'll try to make it for you guys, but we got some work that came up. Don't worry, but I'm here. We'll trade London nonetheless. We're here for London market open. Don't worry guys. Just give me a second guys. Look at these zones guys. They're not very big zones. There is a reason as to why I'm giving you these small zones at this point, you know. Markets are really choppy. And I don't want you all losing everything that you made yesterday. I know a lot of people made a lot of money yesterday for New York and for London as well. We look at this. This is just an impulse at this point on DAX. Okay, guys, be careful. Okay. German 30 crossing going up. Just an impulse at this point. GBP USD is a big break of structure that we need to break above our supply zone, and there will be our buys. But if you want to buy into supply, you can do that, but the bigger buys are up there. Okay, you all know the drill. This is about 11 minutes before market open. You want to buy into supply, you can, but take other confluences into consideration before taking any position in these markets today guys. As you all can see, looking at the charts itself, you can see that everything is choppy. Let's see the kind of movement that we get. Also, good morning guys, good morning. I didn't get a chance to see the chat. Also, good morning. It's just that too much work that's been happening, and I had to run from there to the top down and everything, analyze these markets, and I have to run back again for work guys, so I'm just a little worked up at this point, but don't worry, we'll trade these markets together. Okay guys, look at this. Again, I'm saying that there's too much of chop. This will obviously a bigger break of structure going up there, but before that, I don't know guys, you see this chop around, buyers and sellers and buyers and sellers. There's a lot that's happening on the left right now, so be extremely careful. Okay, nothing is happening guys. That's why look at these zones, they're so tight. I've kept these zones really tight for you all. Look at DAX. There's a perfect break of structure over here, and I didn't take this guys. Is anyone in on DAX? Be careful. Okay, we have lots and lots of supply sitting over here. How many people do we have on here? 24 people. That's good guys. Again, could be choppy. Yesterday was really good. New York session was amazing. The people who waited, actually caught a lot of pips for New York. Not only going up, everything just sold off like crazy, crazy for New York. It was beautiful. Look at this, DAX is pushing up, guys. Yes, we got some good volume post session. So everything that was going up, I was checking the higher time frames yesterday continuously, specifically on indices. I was keeping a check on them because I knew they were going to give good moves. US 30 was extremely choppy until that move happened, I think, post market open. It was extremely choppy, but Nasdaq, the buy that came was actually a push after the news. It was a fake out. It was just a liquidity grab, even though it was a 189 pip or 180 pip move on Nasdaq going up. It was a liquidity grab because markets fell further so much after that, and that was the move they were looking for. But when that move happened going upward, it was not supposed to go upward. Why did it go? Because 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame, they were trying to break out of big W double bottom structures. They were trying to break that. They broke it, caught the liquidity, went up, gave us the buys, and then the final move happened, which was actually supposed to happen. If there was no volume, good thing was news came out. That's why we had some volume running around. So with that, we went up, but the actual move is down. So you all need to consider these things also, because sometimes maybe you are in a sell thinking that, okay, according to the analysis, the markets are supposed to go down, the markets are going up. It's not only this 5 minute that we're looking at, not only the confluences on 5, but there are so many other things also that Cram and I, that we're always looking and finding for. We're looking for a lot of confluences to enter in on those trades. Even if we are taking those impulses, we know why we're taking those impulses, and you all need to be there as well. You all need to understand. You all need to understand how these markets they move on a whole. Okay, including every time frame. That's going to take time. That's going to take some time for you all to just sit on the markets and observe them every day for a couple of years. But I'm sure you're going to understand that, and that is where I want you all to reach. Okay. Nothing is happening, guys. Everything is extremely choppy. Look at this. Who wants to trade this shop? I certainly, I really don't want to. And I have a lot of work to do, guys. So I just don't know if I'm going to take any trade also today. I made good money for New York yesterday and for London. I caught a move on German 30 post London session, and for London also I traded German 30 with y'all. And after that for New York, obviously I caught Nasdaq. So it was a very, very good day, and I don't want to lose my profits. So if I don't get anything, if I don't find anything interesting or something good to me with good volume for London, I'm not going to take it, guys. Simple as that. Okay, let's see. It's between, because see, EMAs, whatever it is, these are just lagging indicators. These EMAs, they can change. I've seen so many times death cross becoming into a golden cross becoming into a death cross. So just don't be depending on them. Okay, I understand that we start to take our trades when our candle closes above 9 EMA and 200 is up above there. But the move is done. A move is done. We majorly give more focus to break of structure. We're only trying to catch 8 to 10 pips. And you need to take in consideration that this 200 EMA is there, but you all don't know. It keeps moving, guys. If we get surge of volume, maybe it'll go push up further. You know, this is all happening and this is all lagging. So when it comes to your question, I'd like to give more importance to break of structure. I would not leave this trade. Come on, this is giving us some pips. I wouldn't leave this trade completely. If my risk management is in place, I'll get in, make it till this. I told you guys, right? We're going to catch some resistance from here, this level, because I was seeing on the left. Guys, you have to look at everything. You can't only look at 200 EMA or 9 EMA or your RSI. You have to look at the candles also, because again, this is what's more important. We're trading price action, and candles is price action, right? Whatever candles they do, the story they tell us, that is price action. So yes, if I want to take the trade, I have to have a good risk management. I will be able to take that, but I need to take into consideration the chop that I have before that and the kind of move that I thought I would get. See, I didn't know that 200 EMA was there. I just told you all that we'll get some resistance from here. I didn't even know that all of this was there. So it completely depends. All of this, guys, these are lagging indicators. Everything is lagging. They're moving according to price action, guys. There is a strength that's always hidden that we don't know of, the kind of volume that's running around in these markets. And upon that, they're changing. Be it 9 EMA, be it 200 EMA, be it RSI 50 EMA, or whatever that you use on your charts. So yeah, if you want to take, risk management is good, go ahead and take it, but take into consideration other things as well, Rahul. Okay, I know you're smart, you're trading really well, but this was a good move. We closed above this, but you need to understand that supply zone was here. I wouldn't have taken this trade personally. If I was looking for like 5-6 pips, I would have. But then again, this is not a good trade to take. Even though we're breaking the structure, there is a lot of there was a lot of traffic. There's a lot of traffic on the left, and 200 EMA is right here, which I didn't know of. But the structure, we broke it. But then this is not a good place to take any trade. Again, whenever you guys are in doubt whether to take a trade or not, look to the left. What do you see? If there's traffic, you don't have to take that trade. Go for the zones where there's less traffic, and according to that, move forward. And again, all these confluences, this RSI, EMAs, everything that you put on, Bollinger Bands, whatever that you guys want to use, whatever that you've used, they're just lagging indicators. They're going to tell you, yes, they're going to tell you what the markets are going to do. But again, these markets are not in our control. We trade price action, guys. Okay, so even though this did break our structure and it did what it had to do, this was not a good move. So I probably would not have taken it unless I was just looking for 5 to 7 pips that I wanted from this trade. Okay. I'm so sorry, that was a very long explanation, guys, but I see people, you know, getting in and then they're thinking that I'm going to hold, maybe 2-3 more pips because 200 EMA is right there. Push, 2-3 pips. And in the blink of an eye, it'll just push down and you're like, what the hell? I just entered and I'm in a loss at this point. So these things you all need to take into consideration, guys, okay? When you're trading these markets, look at the structure that we made here to fall down at the same place we're falling from here, okay? Everything, guys. These patterns, they're repeating themselves all the time at particular levels because you all need to understand that there are orders also sitting there. So they're going to fall from that place. Okay, guys? These things, the more you trade, the more you... It's not the more you trade, the more you see these markets, you'll understand. Okay? US 30 is trying to go down. Just an impulse. Guys, we have about 2 minutes to market open. Ask yourself if you want to take it. Okay? Is anyone in on anything at this point? I'm not in on anything, guys, at this point. I made really good profits yesterday. I don't want to lose anything. This is chop. If you had taken this trade, if someone had taken this trade, it just went down the next candle. It doesn't even give you a chance to understand what's happening and what they're going to do, guys. Careful. Today, be careful. Now, if we break this chop, you see this? If we break this chop, again, there's some chop over here also, but if we break this chop, and this will also be a break of structure. If you want to move up, it'll be a good move, maybe to daily resistance. Okay, let's see. If I don't get anything today, guys, I will be happy. I will be fine, because I certainly don't want to trade this chop. Wicks don't lie. Yes. Wicks don't lie. Look at this. Okay, this is market open, guys. We got surge of volume on. Look at this, guys. Okay, we're trying to break. Okay, guys, I didn't take it. Did anyone take this? Did anyone take this impulse? I did not, guys. Even though it went up, it just unbelievable how it went. Okay, took tax. Amazing, guys. I didn't take it, guys. I didn't. Nothing is happening with US 30 as of now. They're not doing anything. Okay, at break even right now, break even is good. Zero. Break even is good. It's fine. You all need to understand for market open also, your spreads are going crazy. If you all are trading MFF, your spreads must be going crazy. The other day I was trading my account, my funded account, and my spreads on DAX were horrible that day. When I say horrible, it was a 6-7 pip spread. That's horrible for me. That's like really, really horrible. Because we're scalpers, right? But these markets, these brokers, they just want money. GBP USD didn't do anything, guys. The markets are really, really choppy, like I told you all. Nothing is giving any move. These wicks, they need to break out of this to go up further, or I don't know. This is very stupid, guys. We have to. We should. Because if we fall down further, it'll be really, really hard to break us, for us to break and go up. Okay? Look at DAX. Guys, you don't have to trade this market. Trust me when I say this. If you don't feel like, you don't have to trade this market. This is not a good market to trade. Okay, we're going up on DAX. We still have about 3 minutes for this candle to close, 2.5 minutes. Let's see. We can push up, guys. I feel that. Okay? We're trying to go overbought. We're pushing up on DAX. I'm running about $3,000 on DAX. I just love DAX, guys. 3,600. Okay? Do I want to remove one position? Yes, I do. Okay, I removed my one position when I left on break even, guys. It's happening all too quick. Okay? Slow impulse. Still we can push up, guys. We need volume again to push up, or else we're going down. We need to catch some buyers over here from this area. If not, then we're going down. No, we're going to daily resistance for sure. But if you look on the left, you need to see the break of structure over here. Okay, if we had volume, we would push up, which I think we have volume. But then look at the structure. This is heavy, heavy, heavy resistance. And for London, usually, it's really hard to break daily resistance. But let's see, if we get good volume like we are on DAX, we can break that. Okay? But yeah, it needs to close above that. Or at least it needs to close above our 200 EMA for this to continue this move. But you all need to look on the left again and see the kind of resistance that we have over here in this area. Okay? We're still trying to push up though. We still have room to go up. But let's see. We're trying to push up. About last 30 seconds, they tell us what the candle is going to do, what the next candle is going to do with us. Maybe the next candle will open up, try to fill the wick. If not, then we're going down straight to retest our 9 EMA and then push up. That's what usually happens, guys. And also because this is a choppy market, chances are okay. We're closing between. Okay, I got stopped out, guys, on this. Okay, the second position that I had running on DAX, I got stopped out on break even. It's fine. I don't like these markets, guys. Today, this is really, really choppy. Tell me, guys, do you really want to trade this? We want to break this, we want to break this, we want to break this, and then reach this. Nothing, guys. Really. Now, if you want, and if you think they're trying to make a pattern, but then again, there is resistance over here. Again, guys, safer entries over here only. I thought I'll put the buys over here, but I don't think I should. Just be careful, guys, in these markets. If you want, you can do that, because we're trying to make a pattern and break out of it. But then again, there is resistance over here, and this is a very, very small zone. So I don't know. Okay, don't trade this zone. Again, Like I was telling you all, we will go down to test the 9 EMA if we close below our 200 EMA, and that's exactly what we're doing because these markets are really choppy. If this was good volume, they would straight close above our 4-day resistance or at least our 200 EMA. I'm not saying the move might not happen, move might happen, but they're just making us wait, guys, and I don't want to trade this market. This is stupid, guys. Stay away from it. We had a surge of volume in the markets yesterday for New York. That is the reason why we're seeing this chop for London. Okay, I'm not saying that it won't break out. I'm not saying that these moves can't happen. They can. We need volume to do that, guys. That's all. Volume. Seems like we're going down now. We're catching support from the 9. I hope you guys realized your profits on DAX if someone took DAX and not holding this position till now. This is a very boring session, guys. I mean, I know London is slow and it makes us wait, it makes us more patient. Just guys, give me a second. Got stopped out. That's fine. I hope it was break even, or if it was, I hope it was not too much that you took. I'm talking about the loss. These markets at break even, apps great. That's grade 0. It's okay, guys. Even I got stopped on one of my positions on break even. It's fine. It's all fine. This happens. Guys, I don't want to trade this shop. I'm going to finish this session now. I'm not going to wait for even the next 15-minute momentum. Something might happen. You guys have my levels. You can trade with my levels, but I have to actually rush and go back to work because this is not happening, guys. And I don't want to sit and just, I don't want to sit and trade these markets and trade this shop. Trust me when I say this. Just give me a second, guys. Okay, guys, that's it. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me. But I don't want to trade this job. Doesn't matter if it goes 70, 80 pips. Also, in my favor for the buyers, I really don't care. But if you guys are trading, these are my levels. I'm showing you them last time. This is DAX, guys. Okay. This is US 30, and this is GBP USD. Okay, guys, thank you so much, guys. It was not a very good session. I know that the markets were choppy. I made something, but I didn't. I'm glad you all didn't lose anything in these markets. I just said I have to rush back also, guys, to work, and I am not going to trade this shop. If you guys are trading this shop after this session, please be extremely careful. We need volume from New York to trade along, and there is no volume right now in these markets. Thank you so much, guys, for being here and trading with me. It was a slow session, but nonetheless, we learned a lot. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you all for New York. If we can, we'll keep you guys updated. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye. Bye, guys.